In just 2 months, we've exposed billions of dollars in benefits that were stolen from the American people. We referred over $22 billion in fraudulent small business loans back to the Treasury Department for collection. We put a 6-month hold on enrollments for new hospice and home health care providers to prevent fraudsters from opening up more fake businesses. We've recovered taxpayer funds from the $135 billion stolen after the floodgates